Hey there, smart shoppers.
Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make better purchasing decisions. Today we have an exciting showdown between two top-notch dash cams.
On the left, we have the Red Tiger 4K dash cam, and on the right, we have the Chensiv 3-channel 4K dash cam. Get ready for some serious dash cam action. Let's talk about video quality, the bread and butter of any dash cam.
The Red Tiger 4K dash cam boasts a stunning 4K resolution with a wide-angle lens, capturing every detail of your drive.
On the other hand, the Chensiv 3-channel 4K dash cam offers not only a 4K front camera, but also a cabin and rear camera for maximum road coverage. It's like having a personal surveillance system in your car. Impressive, right? Now let's dive into the features. The Red Tiger 4K dash cam comes with a user-friendly touchscreen, allowing you to access all the camera's features with a simple touch.
It even has built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, so you can easily share your driving experiences with friends and family. Plus, it has loop recording and a G-sensor to protect your footage in case of an accident. On the other hand, the Chensiv 3-channel 4K dash cam comes with a 2.0 inches IPS screen and a free 64GB SD card.
It's like getting a cherry on top of your dash cam sundae. It also has a 24-hour parking monitor, ensuring your car is under watch.
And don't worry about storage space because it has a loop recording function that keeps rolling without filling up your memory.
Let's shed some light on night vision capabilities. The Red Tiger 4K dash cam uses WDR technology and enhanced super night vision to capture clear footage, even in low light situations.
You won't miss a thing whether it's day or night. Meanwhile, the Chensiv 3-channel 4K dash cam takes it up a notch with its f2.0 aperture, wide dynamic range technology, and 4 infrared lights.
Say goodbye to blurry and dark footage.
This dash cam ensures color precision and clarity, giving you peace of mind during nighttime drives. Let's talk about design and installation. The Red Tiger 4K dash cam comes with a sleek and compact design, blending seamlessly into your car's interior. Plus, it's super easy to install and has a super capacitor that can withstand extreme temperatures. No more worries about scorching summers or freezing winters.
Now, the Chensiv 3-channel 4K dash cam takes the cake with its hidden design. It won't block your view or distract you while driving.
Talk about a discreet dash cam.
And the installation?
It's a breeze.
Just connect it to the power source and you're good to go.
Last but not least, let's talk about the price and warranty. The Red Tiger 4K dash cam comes with a price tag of $229. But hold on.
It also includes a free 64GB card, a 12-month warranty, and 24/7 after-sales service. That's what we call a comprehensive package.
Now, the Chensiv 3-channel 4K dash cam is available at a price of $69.
Yup, you heard it right.
And it also comes with a free 64GB SD card.
Plus, they offer excellent after-sales service with 24-hour technical support. Talk about bang for your buck. The Red Tiger 4K dash cam is highly recommended for its superior performance, ease of use, and excellent customer service.
Users have found it to be more reliable and user-friendly compared to other brands with high-quality video recording capabilities. The dash cam also comes with a convenient hardwire kit for automatic activation when starting the car.
Customer service from Red Tiger is exceptional with quick responses and helpful assistance. On the other hand, the Chensiv 3-channel 4K dash cam is praised for its high-quality performance, impressive imaging and night vision capabilities, easy installation, and user-friendly footage review. It provides fantastic video quality and audio recording, making it a great choice regardless of price point. And that's a wrap, folks. We've compared the Red Tiger 4K dash cam and the Chensiv 3-channel 4K dash cam. Both are fantastic choices, but it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs and budget. Remember, smart shoppers always do your research before making a purchase. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more exciting product comparisons on Buy Smart. Until next time, happy shopping!